This is the demo for the lateral distance calculator using the sensor, the Sick LMS 100 sensor. So I set up the demo and now I'm going to show it in action. So the first thing I'm going to do is set the lateral distance calculator node to check the left side of the sensor, and that should measure 65 centimeters because it is 65 centimeters away from the wall, and it should calculate the error. I set the target distance to 0.5 meters. And it is currently running, and you can see the lateral distance that it calculates is 65, and the error is 0.15 because of, the target distance is 0.5. So now I'm going to move the sensor over to this point. It's where it's 73 centimeters, so that we can see how the sensor reads from the other side, from what it was originally set to, just set to. So now I changed it, and now what I need to do is set the direction to 0 for the right side. So now the sensor is looking on the right side, and that should be 73 centimeters, which I measured out. Yes. And it is reading 74. Wait a minute. Position. The box. And it is reading about 74. And the error is negative 0.24. And I think it's reading that. I think it's reading the correct number, but to find out for sure, I'm going to measure it out. So from the box, from about where it reaches it. Okay, so I think I made an error while doing this because it is 74. So the node is correct. Now I'm going to move it to this point where it should be 70 centimeters. I'll try my best to position it. And then I'm going to switch back to the left side. And now it's reading 69 and 70, around that range, but that's probably because my positioning is not perfect, but the error it's calculating is correct. This is the entire setup.